Ooh. Shout out to Mike. He writes, Bobby, the ashamed African eats. And don't forget the doo-doo dips and chips.
These guys are clowns. I've never seen such clowns in my life.
Oh, man. Don't forget the doo-doo dips and chips.
This is what a foundational Black American is.
Oh, are you
Clown with money.
disrespecting your superiors? Don't do that. Don't disrespect your
Marquette,
superiors. Do you know the
I'm
per capita
ashamed.
income of Sierra Leone? Do you?
I'm ashamed. We're in the United States, Marquette.
You are from Sierra
What's
Leone.
the GDP per
Do you
capita
know?
of Africans in the United States?
Do
I am
you
your
know the
superior.
GDP
We
of
are
Sierra
your
Leone?
superior. You want to check the stats?
Do you know the per
Hold
capita
on, hold on, hold on,
income?
hold on. If we're talking about
You're not an
superior,
American,
superior,
buddy.
superior,
You're
superior,
not an American. Listen,
Marquette, I want you to
the-
zoom in on these
you're
stats
not an
and read
American.
these stats.
Young man,
Marquette,
you're not an American.
Marquette,
You're an
whatever.
African.
Okay, sure.
Show
Whatever
me
you
the
want me
stats
to
from
be
your
from.
country. Show me the
The
stats from
United
your country.
States? Are we talking
You're
about
not
what we're doing
American.
here?
That's me.
Are we talking
You
about
got here
what we're doing
yesterday.
here?
You're not an American, young man. Be
Sure.
yourself.
You could argue. You could argue. I got
yourself.
here yesterday. That's
You
fine.
did. It's not an argument. You
Okay.
did get
Okay.
here
Okay. Fine.
yesterday. You got here yesterday.
You've said a lot of lies. I
Yes.
thought this was going to
So,
be more of
but
a
real
good
quick.
faith debate, but
No,
I've
just
started
calm
to
down.
see
Calm down.
you're
I
just
just want to
a
ask you
nigga.
this. I just want to ask you
You got
this.
lucky.
I just
You got
want to ask
rich.
you. Oh, I got
but
lucky.
You're just a
Extraordinary.
nigga.
Now you
I
got
thought
the
you had more
got the guy who was
substance
privileged and he's
behind
saying
you.
I got lucky. So sad.
Yeah,
Now they start
I
with the
think you got
lies.
lucky, man.
Oh, they start with the
Marquette,
lies.
you've been lying half
Oh,
the
they
night. I'm
start
a
with
little
the lies.
disappointed.
I lucked
You
my
you
way out of
talk too
poverty.
big.
Extraordinary. Now he's from Sierra Leone. What's the per capita income of your home country? Tell me. I can tell you if you don't know.
If I were to take a guess, it'd be
Yeah.
4,000.
I think it's
If I
even
were to
less than
take a
that.
guess,
It's even
there's so
less
much
than that.
corruption.
Yeah. Yeah, it's even
There's
less.
so much corruption.
So here's the thing, though. If you're from Sierra Leone and the per capita income is like $3,000, which I think I have a pair of sneakers that are about that cost.
What's the cost of living in Sierra Leone, though? You have to take the GDP per capita
that's
and
fine. That's
compare
fine.
that with the cost of living.
Excuses,
You like to
excuses.
mislead. You like to
Excuses,
mislead
excuses.
your population a lot.
Excuses.
I don't like that.
So
You're not arguing.
excuses. So your per capita income is $3,000.
Yeah.
Why don't you go back and help out your people, man? Why don't you and your dad go back to his country and help out your people?
Well, we do that often.
Oh, yeah?
He goes there a lot. Yeah.
Visiting, huh? Why doesn't he live among his people since you guys are so superior? Why do you want to live among foundational Black Americans in America?
Ooh,
Go
okay,
to your
superior
homeland.
to you guys, you mean?
Go to your homeland. Go
Are
to
you
your
saying
homeland.
that
No,
Africans
I'm
are
saying go
superior
to. I'm
you,
saying go to
or-
your homeland.
No, but
I'm saying go to your homeland.
Calm down.
I'm saying
stop
go to
chimping
your
out.
homeland.
Don't chimp out,
Why
sir.
are you scared to go to your
Stop
homeland?
chimping out, Marquette.
Do you know that
You're
term is
chimping
made
out.
for you? That's made for
You're
you
chimping
guys.
out. You're chimping out.
Go to your
Marquette.
homeland.
That,
This guy is from a place where
Set
the
a good-
average income is $3,000 per year. I never have less money than that in pocket change. He is from a place he's ashamed of, ladies and gentlemen. And that's
Why?
sad. He's ashamed of it.
Wait, but
So imagine being so ashamed of where you come from that you just go to visit.
That lies a lot.
You never go to live there because it's too cruddy. Why is it cruddy? It's cruddy because of the people. The people, his people. So don't talk about foundational Black Americans
Hold on, let me drop-
until you can do it from Sierra Leone.
Why are you?
I want to see you in Freetown with that
Why
bad
are you
Wi-Fi.
meeting?
I want to see you with that bad Wi-Fi talking about Black Americans. Go to Sierra Leone, where you're from, or go to Senegal, go to Dakar, and tell me all of that. But the reason that you're here is because your home countries are crummy, and they're crummy because of the people. So your people are inferior, because if they were so impressive, you'd want to be among them. Bobby, go home,
So
Bobby. Bobby, go home. Go home, Bobby. How can we get you home? Bobby, what would it take for us to get you home, Bobby? Oh, and he has an earring in his ear trying to look like a Black American. Extraordinary. Oh, they want to be us so bad. Imitators. Not one person on earth has ever tried to be like a Sierra Leonean. Not one person on earth has ever tried to be like someone from Senegal. Yeah, that's right, Bobby. Run, Bobby. Anyways, carrying on. The Africans just really crack me up. It's like they try to use the white supremacist talking points, but they don't realize most of the white supremacist talking points were created against you guys. Like, come on, man. And just imagine being so ashamed of your own culture that you will not live among your own people and thinking that you have some kind of a claim against Black Americans. That's extraordinary. And you know what that really is? That's the hatred. They hate themselves. That's why they won't live among themselves. Yes. I'm a foundational Black American. We live where we are from. It's in the name, foundational Black American. We are living where we are from. You're Senegalese, but you don't want to be in Senegal. Folks are from Sierra Leone, but you want to call yourself Bobby. Extraordinary. Oh, these Africans, we got to get them in line. They need to get on code. For you Africans, get the Black code. You guys need it more than anybody. Honestly, you do. Because you guys love the colonizers. Oh, my goodness, you love the colonizers. Brody's like, I have a British passport. My father was born in London. Shout out to Joshua, just got the Black code. You can get it at skool.com/Marquett, MARQUETT/classroom. Or you can just click classroom once you get to school.com/Marquett. You see, the funny thing is that I had to create the Black code because there has been no Black philosopher that has created a system of ideas for all of the Black peoples on the earth. And they must get on code. You see, when we see someone like him, he is off code. So we have to destroy these people. When he started off the conversation attacking another group of Black people en masse for no reason, he must be destroyed. We will all get on one page. Yes, these people are funny. You'll never find more hypocrisy from any other group than you will from Black Africans. Oh my goodness, the hypocrisy is extraordinary. I've even seen Black Africans in South Africa say that they wish apartheid would come back. That just lets you know that their elders didn't teach them anything. They don't understand how vicious it actually was, how vicious and cruel it was. They just believe that the whites are superior. So if you let the whites run things, things will go well. But they don't realize that it'll go well on your backs. Yes? Yes, things will flow, but what will be flowing will be your blood in the streets. That has been the history of colonialism. The Africans must be retaught. In fact, many Black peoples must be retaught. And one thing I'll tell you is that the Black code is uncompromising. And it has been said that there's a lot of work for us to do, and we will do the work. And they say, oh, it's difficult. I say, oh, don't worry. I've been learning. If the colonizer, if the enslaver knows how to get Black people in line for bad things, for labor, to endure harshness, I'm willing to use the same methods to get them in line for good things, for building the Black family, for creating harmony between the Black man and woman, for creating wealth for Black people so they mustn't be beggars, for creating self-esteem so they mustn't look down upon themselves and name themselves after those who hate them. Yes, we are in desperate times.